Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Steam profile. First, open Steam on the app or browser. Then click your username in the top right and click View My Profile. Next, click Edit Profile on your profile page to start customizing. After that, change your avatar by going to the Avatar section, uploading your image, and clicking Save. Use a square image for the best quality. Now, change your profile background. Backgrounds make your profile look premium. Go to the Profile Background section and select a background from your inventory. You can get backgrounds from the Steam Market, trading cards, or events. Next, customize your mini profile theme by going to the Mini Profile section and choosing a theme style. This is what people see when they hover over your profile. After that, add showcases, which are the most important part. Showcases are special sections where you can display artwork, achievements, or favorite games. You unlock more showcases as your Steam level increases. Now, to add a showcase, go to Featured Showcase, click the drop-down and choose the type, such as Artwork Showcase, Achievement Showcase, Game Collector, or Screenshot Showcase. Then add an Artwork Showcase. Go to Content, then Artwork, and upload your image in PNG, JPG, or GIF format. Save it, then go back to your profile, select Artwork Showcase, and choose your uploaded artwork. Animated GIF artwork looks best. Next, add an Achievement Showcase by selecting it, choosing a game, and then selecting rare or favorite achievements to display your gaming progress. After that, add badges and level up. Go to the Badges section and craft badges using trading cards. A higher level gives you more customization options. Finally, write your bio and custom info by going to the Profile Summary section. Add your bio, emojis, and links, and you can style your text using symbols or ASC or AR to make your profile stand out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.